Hi, good day guys. My name is Alex with tips and tricks on LG's home entertainment within South Africa. In this video, we're going to be reviewing a budget-friendly LG soundbar get packed with premium features that I feel you guys may have overlooked in the 2024 LG soundbar list. So without wasting further more time guys, let's jump into the jam-packed features that the LG S65TR soundbar will have. So let's get straight into this. The LG S65TR will come with a 5.1 channel output. This means you're getting 5 front-firing speakers and 1 dedicated wireless subwoofer. The 5 front-firing speakers will be located on the soundbar itself, where you'll find 3, and additional 2 front-firing speakers will be found on the rear speaker kit that will come included in the purchase of this soundbar. That is correct, you are going to be getting rear speakers inside the box of your purchase. Now, the 5.1 channel output will be able to deliver 600 watts of audio output, and if you mind me, I think that's a great listening experience, whether it's movies, sports, gaming, and music. When it comes down to the connectivity options of the S65TR, it is equipped with an HDMI with aux support. This means that you can get audio return from TV to soundbar using HDMI cable. It does have a USB playback option and as well as an optical fiber so that you can connect your optic cord from TV to soundbar to also transfer audio. And for wireless connection, you could connect to the soundbar using Bluetooth. If you're looking to be in the center of your audio listening experience, whether it's music, movies, sports, and gaming, well, it is equipped with a 3D surround sound solutions like Dolby Audio and DTS Digital, essentially making sure to give you a multi-channel audio output that is crisp and high quality. When it comes down to listening to a soundbar, I am a fan of convenience, and the S65TR is going to be compatible with the LG Soundbar app available on iOS and Android. And you can do things like check the connection status of your soundbar, rear speakers, and the subwoofer. You can also change the sound mode settings, so you can go from standard all the way to bass blast. But if you want to increase the decibel levels of your subwoofer and soundbar, you can do that in the sound settings, which will be found on the application. Now, that is a huge win when it comes down to user friendliness available on the LG S65TR. The LG S65TR is equipped with AI Sound Pro, which categorizes different sounds into effects, music, and voices, and then ideally applies the best settings to deliver an optimal audio listening experience. Guys, this will simply wrap up the video on the S65TR, and I think it is a huge bargain for money because it is a 5.1 channel output offering 600 watts of audio listening experience, and we have rear speakers included in the purchase. You simply cannot go wrong with this one. Guys, thank you so much for watching the entire video. If you've made it all the way this far and you still have questions, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. And if you did enjoy this video, a like and a subscribe will be highly appreciated. Guys, until the next one, I hope you guys stay safe and good. I will be signing off.